Hi, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we will be talking about branding your channel. Now you may ask, what is branding and why is branding so important? Branding is the way you present your channel. Your channel is a portfolio to your business. If you have bigger plans for your channel, if you're treating your channel as a business, you really need to brand your channel. I will be guiding you in this video how exactly do you brand your channel and what are the benefits of branding. Some of the basic benefits are that it is a way of preparing your channel for that big blow up. It doesn't matter if you have 0 subscribers, 100 subscribers, or even 1,000 subscribers. Whenever your channel is ready to blow up, because it is going to happen in the most unexpected of ways. It is going to happen when you least expect it. So somebody who lands on your channel, maybe a brand who is trying to approach you, or a potential subscriber, should get the clear idea of what your channel is about. So if you have to go shopping, would you rather go to a nice well-lit showroom or a shabby shop by the corner? Obviously. So that's exactly what branding is, and without any further ado, let's get into the Creator Studio and start. If you have a channel, you must be knowing that there is a YouTube Creator Studio in which you can customize your channel. It has an app on the phone, but for this particular process for branding your channel, I would suggest that you use your desktop or laptop because it has more features. However, if you do not have a laptop or a desktop, you need not worry. Just log into YouTube on your phone's browser and switch to the desktop mode, and you will be able to do all of that on your phone as well. Okay, so this is your channel dashboard, and once you're here, click on your profile picture and it will take you to your channel, which looks like this. And here you have to click on customize channel and you will be taken to this page. Now here is where the magic happens, where you can brand your channel according to how you want your channel to look. All right, so this is the first section, video spotlight. It has got two options, a trailer and a featured video. Now a trailer is a 2-minute video which you can upload for people who haven't subscribed to your channel, and they can get an idea of what your channel is about. And a featured video is any video that you want to put out, like one of your popular video maybe, or a video that you feel can attract people. So the channel trailer plays automatically. Someone lands on your channel through a desktop only, not on mobile. So that is the channel trailer. And same for featured video. If a subscriber returns to your channel, the featured video starts playing. I have not added any channel trailer or featured video because personally I do not like if I open a channel and a video starts playing on its own. So I normally take cues as a viewer, what I like or I don't like, and I plan out my channel accordingly. So that is why I have not added any video spotlight, but that is a good option where you can add videos if you want to. Next comes the featured sections. Now these featured sections are a default set by YouTube. If you do not customize them, you can add up to 10 sections, and these can include your uploads, popular uploads, short videos, live streams, upcoming live streams or upcoming videos, and your playlists. So I have added only 3 featured sections. So I have the first section of short videos. So if someone goes to my channel from mobile, the first section that they will see is the short videos, right? And then I have added popular uploads. So the second section, they see popular uploads. And yes, if somebody visits my channel on a desktop, the first section that they will see is popular uploads, and the third is all uploads. Now I chose to add popular uploads ahead of uploads because it puts the videos which has the highest number of views or your most popular video. So obviously those are your good videos. So somebody who's coming to your channel for the first time, everybody goes for the views. So somebody will see that, okay, this video has so many views, this person is making good content. So I chose the popular uploads on top of the uploads, because normally a new video, suppose I uploaded a video just today and it has got only 100 views, and a person who comes to my channel for the first time might not like those 100 views. So that person will not see that this video was just uploaded. So I chose to put out the popular uploads on top of the normal uploads. But these are the ways you can organize your sections. You can add playlists, you can add other sections as per your choice. So this is the other thing that you have to do. Next we come to this tab, that is branding. Now this is one of the most important tabs. So first of all, you have to pick out a profile picture for your channel. So it is very important to put out a profile picture, because no profile picture or a profile picture with just your initial, that is a default YouTube profile picture, it somehow doesn't look nice. So if a person is subscribing to your channel, they should know what it is about. I chose to put out my picture. You can also put out your channel's logo. That is also a great option. But yes, make sure that you upload a picture. Now, banner image. Banner image is precisely this thing. This is a space that YouTube gives you to show what your channel is about, you know. And if you do not upload this banner image, it is basically a lot of space wasted. So I have, you know, put out this banner image. So if somebody comes to my channel, they know that, you know, I upload a new video every week. I had initially put out a banner of my channel name because I saw a lot of popular YouTubers doing that, but I changed it because popular YouTubers, you know, they have a brand set out for them. They have established a following, so they can put out their channel name, they can put out their photos if they wish like. But if someone who is just starting out on YouTube, if somebody comes to my channel, if I just put my channel name on the banner, it doesn't make any difference because the channel name is already there. So if somebody does come to my channel, they see that I have written a new video every week, so it is an active channel and they can, you know, check for themselves because I upload a video every week. Earlier I had written a new video every Friday, but now that I've changed my uploading schedule a little bit, sometimes upload on Saturdays, so I have put out a new video every week. But if you have a specific day, it is better to put out a specific day so that people look forward to your videos and they know when to expect a video from you. Also, I have here mentioned what this channel is about: tutorials, parenting and lifestyle. So these are the kind of videos that you are going to get. And also now that I've started uploading shorts, and I mostly upload shorts about my dogs or my child, mostly dogs, so I have also mentioned a daily dose of bite-sized cuteness. So a person knows that, okay, this is what you can expect from the channel. So this banner space is actually a very good way of telling people what your channel is about and giving them an insight into your channel, and you should definitely make use of it. Where to design your banners? There are a lot of sites, free apps where you can design your banner, but I have used Canva to design this banner, and I think Canva is the best software to use to design your channel art. You can also design your logos, intros, outros for your channel. So Canva can actually get your whole channel branding kit ready. I'll leave a link in the description box for the Canva website, and if you want, you can start designing your logos and banners over there, and you do not have to worry about the dimensions because there are presets already. So if you have to design a YouTube banner and other social media banners, there are presets and you do not have to worry about dimensions, and you can customize them as per your wish. So that is about the channel banner. So here you can use your banner, and obviously you can change it frequently or as and when you change your channel. And this is a video watermark. So this is a watermark that you can place on your video. Like I chose, like if you're watching this video right now, so you will see that there is a watermark on the right hand corner that says subscribe, and I have chosen the time of entire video. So you can choose at the end of the video or a custom time that you want this banner to be there from this to this time. Now, what is the use of this watermark? It can actually you know, like I have put the subscribe watermark, so a person gets a constant reminder of subscribing to the channel. Sometimes people like your video so much, they are so engrossed in the video that they forget to subscribe to your channel. So and you cannot keep on saying all the time that, you know, please subscribe, please subscribe, please subscribe. So that little subscribe button is kind of a reminder that please subscribe, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe to the channel right now. But it doesn't have to be subscribe, it can be anything that you feel like. Initially when I started my channel, I had this watermark of my channel logo. My channel was called the Mothership Project at that time, and it had a logo, so I used a channel logo, but I somehow felt that it is redundant and I changed it to subscribe. But yes, if you have art videos or if you have cooking videos, somewhere where you you know, want to show that this is your video, a watermark, you can add your channel logo, is a good way to lay a claim on your videos that this video belongs to you. So if someone does try to record your video or copy your video, so your watermark will be there. It is kind of a copyright. Even if you have your channel logo or some other image, if somebody clicks on that logo, a subscribe button will pop up. So if somebody wants to subscribe, they can actually go and subscribe to your channel. Again, you can design this watermark in Canva, or you can use any image that you already have. Okay, so now we come to basic info. Channel customization is not only a way of telling your subscribers or your viewers what your channel is about, it is also a way of telling YouTube what your channel is about, so that YouTube knows where to suggest your videos, how to suggest your videos. So it is very, very important. In the about section, you can give your channel description, what your channel is about, what people can expect from your channel, and honestly it also tells YouTube about your channel, and then YouTube starts suggesting your videos accordingly. You can leave your contact information over here as well, and there is an option of adding contact information later on as well. This is your channel URL. Okay, so this is by default fed in by YouTube. So this is your channel URL that YouTube puts in, and this is your custom URL. A custom URL gets activated, and you can set a custom URL for your channel once you reach 100 subscribers. It is always better to have a custom URL. So as soon as you hit your 100 subscribers, you must claim your custom URL, because it obviously looks better than this random set of numbers and alphabets that YouTube gives you. And then you can also add links to your other social media or website handles. Like I have added the link to my Instagram account, my Facebook pages, and those links will appear over here on your banner. So somebody can actually click on these links and go to your social media handle as well. So you can add those links over here. You can add up to 5 links, and the first 5 links will be visible. And contact information, so an email address which lets people contact you. Now over here, be sure that you mention an email address that is not your channel email address. It is very, very important. And I made the mistake of using my channel email address over here, and a few months back when my first video went kind of viral, there was a hacking attempt on my account. So please, under no circumstances, mention your channel email ID over here, because this is the email account that is public. Everybody can see it. There is no way to hide it. So make sure that you take your precautions while entering an email address. It is always better to create a new email address and use that. Other than that, you can go to settings over here. Now this is also an important part of branding, which a lot of people don't look into. So here there's a general, there's a default unit, depending upon the country you are in. Here, come to the channel. Okay, so this is your channel name, this is your country, keywords. Now this is a very important part. This is the most important part of your branding process, because this is for YouTube. This is to tell YouTube what your channel is about. You can add tags about what your channel is about, like parenting, YouTube tricks, cooking, and as many tags as you feel like you can add, so that YouTube gets the idea, okay, this is what this channel is about, and this is where I need to suggest. So keywords, very, very important. Like I have a parenting channel, so I have used the keyword of early learning, parenting, lifestyle, education, reading, flashcards, the topics around which my videos involve. So this really helps in making your videos come up in the search results, and also it tells the YouTube algorithm about your niche and about your channel, and it is very important to please the YouTube algorithm. So this is very important in channel branding. Yes, once you are branding your channel, make sure that you come to these settings and enter keywords for your channel. It is the most important thing. Do not forget about it, please. And obviously, if you customize your channel better, if you personalize everything, personalize your content and customize according to what your channel is about, what your niche is about, it will help you get more traffic to your channel. It will help your videos reach to the people you want them to reach, who actually are looking for those videos, who would be interested in your content, and not random people who will dislike your videos and just walk past your videos. So all these things are really, really important, and that is why you need to brand your channel. So if somebody comes to your channel and somehow they feel that the channel has not been taken care of, it is more like a personal thing, like your house or your office. So if you keep your house good, if you keep your house clean, people want to visit you, people come to your place. But if they come to your house and they do not feel welcome over there, nobody's going to come to your house again. So your channel should give those vibes, it should speak about you as a person. So you can have a channel in any niche. You can have a photography channel, you can have a cooking channel, a parenting channel, but your channel, if somebody comes on it, should give the idea of who this person is behind the channel, who this person actually is and what this person is about and what is the idea behind this channel. So all these things are really important to make a personal connect with your subscribers. Like I said in my previous video, you have to have your channel ready. Never think of yourself as a small YouTuber. I just hate that term, small YouTuber. Call yourself a beginner YouTuber, call yourself an emerging YouTuber, growing YouTuber, but never use the term small YouTuber, because you manifest things. So if you think of yourself as a small YouTuber, maybe that is what you'll always be. Even if you have 0 subscribers, 10 subscribers, 50 subscribers, those are people who are interested in watching your content. So make sure that your channel is ready and for that big blow up, and that is where we are heading to. So make sure that you come back next week for another loaded video on how to grow your channel on YouTube. So if you enjoyed the video, do give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Till then, stay home, stay safe, bye.